Top 5 reasons why you should go out and pick up an iPhone 13 in 2022. Let's hop right into it, ladies and gentlemen. And before we get into that, subscribe, like this video, share it with your best friend, your family members. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and let's get into it. Okay, people, let's get into it. Top 5 reasons to get an iPhone 13 in 2022. Standard model, 6.1-inch display, 60 hertz panel. This currently goes for $800 or $70.99. There's some carrier discounts out there, but it's $800 right now on Apple's website. So that's the price. Number one on this list is going to be speed. This has an A15 Bionic chip. This is the latest mobile chip by Apple in all of their iPhone 13 lineup smartphones. And this chip is actually rumored to be in the iPhone 14 standard model. So that even gives you a bigger reason to go out and pick up this one right now, since the next one probably is not going to have a better processor, and it's going to be cheaper. Number one, performance. A15 is great in terms of overall just like daily usage with the device, and also just camera performance is great using the chip, and also helps with battery efficiency. That was one of the main important aspects to this year's iPhone that a lot of people overlook. The A15, as powerful as it is more focused on efficiency rather than raw speed, if that makes sense. Number two on this list is going to be cameras. So here we have the camera app. It's pretty standard camera app. Apple's kept this pretty standard for the past couple of years now. We have all the standard modes like panorama, portrait, photo, video. We have a cinematic mode, which is new on here, which kind of like has, you can call it like portrait video if you really want. I mean, that basically is what it is. Slow-mo and also a time-lapse. The main reason why I like this, and the selfie camera is pretty sharp as well. The main reason I like this is that for photos, you can actually adjust the type of photo you actually want, which is super cool. So I have rich contrast on. That gives it more of like a Pixel 6-ish profile, but you can also turn it to vibrant, to warm, to cool, and then there's one other one standard. But I like rich contrast, and I like how you can tweak your sort of photo you want. And honestly, that sounds more of like an Android feature than an Apple feature, which is kind of weird. But so that's number two. Number three on this list is going to be the Sharp OLED display, which you're seeing on screen right here. Sharp text, OLED, good contrast ratio. You can definitely tell the difference between an OLED screen and also an LCD display. You can compare the two, and clearly the OLED is going to be better. So if we go here on YouTube and type in like 4K videos, this is where it really shines. Let me turn the volume down so I don't get a copyright claim. This is where it really shines, as you have an incredibly sharp display, good punchy colors, HDR certified. So it just looks overall like really, really good. So it's great for watching videos if you're into that. Number four is longevity. With the A15 Bionic chip, as powerful as it is, it's going to get plenty and plenty of software updates in the future. Probably, if I were to give a guess, it's probably going to get at least 4 more software updates minimum. I could see it going at least 7 to 8 if that's possible. But with the chip and how powerful it is, I could see this getting more and more updates without having it destroy the overall performance of the device. So that's longevity. Number 5 is ecosystem. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, if you have an Apple Watch, if you have an iPad, if you have like a MacBook computer or desktop, AirPods, this is going to be the best because it has all the updated specs, and it's just going to work with everything you already own. Like there's no complications. Me, on the other hand, it's harder to use a phone like this because I'm in the Samsung ecosystem. For example, there's a Galaxy Buds app here, and I use Galaxy Buds. And to get the extra features that you want, you need this app. And the problem is this only has Galaxy Buds Live, and it only has Galaxy Buds Plus, not the other Galaxy Buds that they have. Like, doesn't have the Pros, which I literally have right here. There's no option for the Pros. There's no option for the original Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Buds 2. They just don't have it. So it makes it difficult for me, especially, to like use a device like this. But It's all good. So ecosystem is definitely in there. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, you can't go wrong with a phone like this. So that's going to be my top 5 reasons why you should go pick up the iPhone 13, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoy this sort of content, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single fan that shows up to this channel. You have no idea, and hopefully you guys will enjoy my content in the future. More mobile stuff coming soon. Quick sneak peek at what's coming soon. This bad boy. Maybe we'll do a little heads-up comparison. So if you made it to this video, you get the sneak peek of what's coming shortly. So thank you so much for watching. All this is in the green color with the midnight green case, and I think it's a pretty snazzy look overall. So there we have it. See you in the next one, people. Peace out.